In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix NFC not working on Samsung. But anyways, getting into it, it's very easy to go ahead and do this. And there's technically two methods for it. So the first thing you can do is go over to your settings application. And then what you want to do from here is tap on connections, which is going to be the first option anyway. And then once you're here, what you're going to do is look for NFC and contactless payment for NFC. So as you can see, mine is currently toggled on. And then that's it. You'll be good to go in that front. But what you could also do is swipe down on the top right, and then you just want to look for the NFC icon. And if you can't see it, so I'm going to look right here, we're going to look for NFC, but if you can't see it, just go ahead and long press in an empty area or tap the pencil icon on the top right, and then we're going to press edit in the middle. Now over here, it's going to show you the available buttons that you are going to be able to use. So we just want to look for NFC, and as you can see, NFC is now right there. Go ahead and press done, and then we're going to press done again on the top right. Now we can swipe, and you're going to see the NFC blue button, and that's it. It's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.